Mum, help me. Mum, please help me.
Work it
My
out.
God, just work it out.
Mum.
Just lift it
Of course
up,
you
the back
can.
end up.
Then what do I do?
No, put it down. This end back, not that end. No, put it down. No, put it down. And lift this end
Don't
up.
tell her what to do. I'm enjoying this.
What end? Oh, Mum, you're really horrible. Help me. Everyone's looking at me. Stop it, Mum. Mum, help me.
Come on, your hair will be up soon.
I've really got my lunch, Mum. You're just sitting there. Oh, Mum,
Well, I'm having my lunch.
No, pick that end up. Sue, help her. Tell us. No, stand up, you donut.